Ever feel like your marketing is missing the mark? That's because you're treating your audience as one big group instead of breaking them into the right customer segments. Different buyers have different needs, and if you don't target them correctly, you're leaving money on the table. Today I'll show you how to use market segmentation with ChatGPT to uncover high-value customer groups and craft strategies that actually convert. And yes, you'll see me prompting ChatGPT step by step. Let's get started. In today's diverse marketplace, consumers aren't a one-size-fits-all group. Companies must dive deep to identify distinct customer segments, each with unique needs, behaviors, and values. Without this clarity, marketing efforts can fall flat, missing the mark on growth and profitability. Here's how you do it with ChatGPT. Describe the overall market. Start by mapping the big picture. Divide the market. Break it into 4 segments based on shared characteristics. Deep dive into each segment. Analyze psychographics, demographics, behaviors, and values. Quantitatively assess each segment. Evaluate size, growth, and profitability. Target the optimal segments. Choose and position your strategy for each group. By prompting ChatGPT with these steps, you unlock tailored insights that you can implement immediately. By applying these techniques, you transform complex data into focused strategies. This means better targeted campaigns, more efficient use of resources, and ultimately, stronger market share. And remember, you can see me prompting ChatGPT in real time to extract these actionable ideas. Ready to unlock the full potential of market segmentation? Use ChatGPT to dive deep into your market data and create strategies that truly resonate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our newsletter. For more insights and to get my book AI-Powered Strategic Thinker 3, visit my Linktree. Thanks for watching. Strategic Thinkers, let's segment, innovate, and succeed together.